So welcome back, guys. Second episode today, talking about the Dometic CRX fridge. This is a compressor fridge and runs on 12 volt. There is an adapter where it can run off 230. However, this runs pretty much permanently on my motorhome with my solar install and my power bank, which I'll talk about in a future video. But for now, we'll talk about the fridge. It's really good compared to the old three-way fridge that was fitted, obviously getting on a few years now, as this was built in 1998. The compressor fridge it's a much deeper fridge. The freezer works really well and is also removable. I have the brushed stainless steel finish on the front. You can open the door both sides depending on how you like it. You just need to take out two screws, top and bottom, and then you can adapt to how you want. What I did find is this fridge is a bit shorter, so I've raised it off the floor so it's in line with the top air vent on the back outside for the compressor, where the compressor fits and sits at the top part of the refrigerator. So what I have done now is kind of a little shelf, shoe place underneath, and a bit more storage. So not only do I have a deeper, bigger fridge that works really well, I now have extra storage for at least somewhere to put shoes and any of the odds underneath. So at the back of the fridge you have the two air vents from the previous fridge fitted, and these allow air to cool the old system. Now with this particular fridge I have now fitted, it has the compressor at the top, it has its own 12 volt fan as well over the cooling part of the compressor, and what I did do is block off the bottom air vent from the inside with a bit of clear plastic perspex mounted on the inside, and on the outside I just put one of the winter covers over, as you can see on the outside. Okay, now you have the front brushed aluminium Dometic CRX 80. Just opening there. LED lights come straight on. Good space in the door, as you can see. This is currently running. There's two extra clear plastic storage containers that I bought. Just makes it easier to keep things in. It's a very nice, clean, good looking fridge as well. 10 litre freezer, or I believe is 9 litres, but you can remove this and have a bigger capacity for the fridge itself. Very efficient. Some space there at the top. There's a few different temperature settings that you can have. I have mine on level 3. I think it sits around at 6 degrees most of the time inside. And then on the top there you have a latch where you can turn to one side for vent, and the other side, which will be lock, that you can just keep open and closing, and it will stay in position even when driving. Yeah, so if you found this useful, please share around. I know there wasn't much information when I was doing all this. I still don't think there's many videos out there, at least regarding all the old Karmann or older motorhomes like this, where you can retrofit some new equipment and bring the motorhomes back up with some new technology. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll try and get some more videos out for the future. Until then, see you next time. Bye for now.